Behance is an online platform that showcases creative work primarily in the fields of graphic design, illustration, photography, advertising, fashion, and more. It was acquired by Adobe in 2012 and is now a part of the Adobe Creative Cloud family. The platform allows creatives to display their portfolio, follow other artists, and gain exposure to potential clients or employers. To make money online with Behance in 2024, follow these step-by-step guidelines for beginners. 1. Create a Behance account. Visit the Behance website, w.behance.net, and sign up for a free account. Provide accurate and professional-looking information about yourself, including your name, location, and a profile picture. 2. Build a strong portfolio. Curate a collection of your best work that represents your skills and expertise. Organize your projects into categories and provide a brief description of each project, highlighting your role and any notable achievements. Ensure that your work is high quality and visually appealing. 3. Optimize your projects. Use relevant keywords and tags to make your projects easily discoverable by potential clients or employers. Also, add a project cover image that is eye-catching and represents the project well. 4. Engage with the community. Follow other creatives in your field, like and comment on their work, and join relevant groups or discussions. This will help you build connections and increase your visibility on the platform. 5. Promote your Behance profile. Share your Behance projects on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to reach a wider audience. You can also include a link to your Behance profile in your email signature or personal website. 6. Network. Reach out to potential clients or employers through direct messages on Behance or via email. Showcase your work and express your interest in collaborating or working with them. 7. Offer services. If you are a freelancer, offer your services directly on your Behance profile. You can list the services you provide, your rates, and any specific skills or experience that make you stand out. 8. Collaborate. Partner with other creatives on Behance to work on projects together. Collaborations can lead to new opportunities, exposure to new networks, and the chance to learn from others in your field. 9. Keep updating your portfolio. Regularly update your Behance profile with new projects and accomplishments. This demonstrates your ongoing dedication to your craft and keeps your work fresh in the eyes of potential clients or employers. 10. Diversify your income streams. While Behance can help you gain exposure, it's essential to have multiple income streams. Utilize other platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or your personal website to find freelance work and clients. By following these steps, you can maximize your chances of making money online with Behance in 2024. Remember that building a successful career on Behance takes time, dedication, and continuous improvement of your skills and portfolio.